started with some scrap plywood I had laying around the shop. It's nothing fancy, but perfect for building out the main box. I cut everything down to size at the table saw, keeping it clean and square because this will be the foundation for everything. From there, I started assembling a simple box. And yeah, it's just basic, but it just needed to be solid. If this part is off even a little bit, everything else in the build is going to fight you later. So I apply wood glue to the edges and just hold the panels in place with brad nails. Now this is where things get interesting. I fired up the laser to cut the design into the front panel. And this part, you really only get one shot at it. If it burns wrong, shifts, or tears out in any way, I'm pretty much going to have to start over. No pressure. And there it is. Nice, clean cuts, and exactly what I was hoping for. So using wood glue and brad nails, I went ahead and secured the front panel in place, making sure that it was square and flush around all of the edges. So while that glue was drying, I went ahead and sanded everything down, knocking off the sharp edges, and I got it ready for paint. I went with a full black finish because I want the light and the face to be the star of the show. Everything else just needs to disappear into the background. So while the box paint was drying, I moved on to the actual stand. I wanted something simple but strong enough to actually hold the helmet. So I cut 2 circles on the bandsaw, a larger base and a smaller top. And then I cleaned them up with a sander, and using my router, I rounded over the edges just to give them a softer look. I marked center, then jumped over to the drill press, and using a Forstner bit, I drilled shallow holes to hold a 7/8 of an inch dowel. I added a little glue and brought it all together. A repeat on the top smaller circle, and it too was ready for paint. For this next part, I decided to use that old mine trick and the same black finish as the box, just to let the glowing lights do the work. Now here's the part that really brings this thing to life. I use wax paper behind the cutout as a diffuser. It's a cheap, simple, and it softens the light perfectly. I use spray adhesive inside the box, and when it tacks up, I just spread out the wax paper very carefully, making sure not to scratch or tear it in any way. Then using a block of wood, I just spread the wax paper out evenly, keeping it tight over the design. Now using a hot glue gun, I mounted LED lights inside the box to the top panel, just hanging down. This way the light will shine down and hopefully fill the entire design and not be so dotted or pixelated. A couple of AA batteries in the box, and boom, we're finished. And now for the moment of truth. That is exactly what I was going for. Clean, even glow, and nothing too harsh. Once everything came together, this turned into a full display, not just a helmet stand. Something that actually feels like a centerpiece, something worthy.
If you think this build was worthy, hit that like and subscribe button down below. And if you really liked it, drop us a hype. I'd greatly appreciate it. I've got more builds coming your way, and I'm always thinking up of new ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.